What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to replace our tag lights before we get pulled over. The tag lights are going dim. They're not out, but they're going dim. I did get pulled over for my headlight. One of my headlights was out and I didn't even know. So I changed my headlights, and now to prevent getting pulled over again, we are just going to go ahead and change out our tag light. And to change that out, it seems like I need... All right, you guys, so to change this out, I will need one of those T or star bits to change this out. And yeah, so let's go ahead and change it out. And this is what I will be using. Very cheap. Is it lefty loosey? Let's see. That's one. And then there's two. All right, move that out like that. Okay, now it acts like it don't want to come out. Okay, you have to turn it around. And now, let me see. You gotta turn it. All right, we turned it. Twist and turn, you guys. Twist and turn. And then pull out. And there you go, one bulb. So here we go. I'm gonna install this. Push in, and that's it, you guys. Nice and easy. All right, now this is kind of old, you guys. We might need to change this out, just to give it some you know, it's just too much blocking it. And yeah, so I will look for a glass piece. I thought this was gonna be easy, you guys. This is kind of hard. This is kind of hard because you have to flip it flat, and then you have to measure out where the hole is. I see something right there. Okay. Wonder if I could just leave it like that. Would that be too ghetto, you guys? I don't know. No, that's because the hole is just a go in. Let me see. It's a hole. No, you can twist on the hole. I might be able to leave it like this. Well, it's not moving. It's not moving. You guys, I might leave it like that. Okay. So there you go. It's the regular yellow light, you guys. I think I'm gonna change this out. I'm gonna look for a new one. If you want a different color, then you can go online and get daylight or whatever. But I'm gonna just stick with it like that.